Alright, so next, let's open the case and let's get started. And we got the manual. Plugs to that side. The case. This side. So let's open it up. Got the silicone gel packaging. Through the top. I mean, there's no bracket here. Stuff off. So next thing we'll do, we'll just install the RAM first. It'll be easier. And packaging. Take out a knife and cut this shit off.
Okay.
And you see, our friend here likes bother the cameraman.
Yeah. Comedy.
So, okay, finally got it out. So let's put it in.
Where do you put it?
Just snap it in here. No, you don't.
Look, that's the new box. What are you doing? Hey, wait, it doesn't have that many wires.
Nah.
Oh, look, yeah.
That's the whole reason why I purchased this one. It had everything. It had the power supply, it had
where's the
motherboard, the case.
What you took out there before? What's that?
What?
For the hard drive?
What, this?
Yeah.
It's a mounting bracket for the hard drive.
CD player?
CD-ROM drive.
Oh, cool. The power supply. Where's the motherboard chip? Is that it?
Yeah, it's right in. It's right here. This is it.
Yeah, that's really small. That would be a tiny bit bigger.
No.
Looks like 24 inches. I don't know.
These are so hard to put in. That was easy. Okay, it snapped in. Okay, next, let's put together the hard drive. Well, this is the old hard drive I had before. I'll just give it to him.
You're gonna
And
put
this is the new one. This
Yeah.
one is 150. We'll use this as the OS, hold the OS. And this one as just storage. It's 150 gigabyte one.
How many hard drives can fit in there?
Huh?
How many hard drives can fit? Two? Only two?
Yeah, you can put two. You can put two of them. So
Plus.
one at the bottom here, and then another one at the top.
Oh, cool. Yeah, really small.
It would be like really tight to put in though. So we'll put the first one in. The one I gave him. This is screws out from this package.
So, do you like do you like movies?
What the hell are you
Yeah, I remember.
Everyone likes movies.
Yeah. Yeah, there's some comedy in this. I shouldn't record that part.
Yeah, we'll just cut that out. No.
Yeah, the stupidity.
We'll re-edit that.
Alright, you gotta sell some jokes. Why something? Chicken coleslaw.
Chicken coleslaw?
No, you know the chicken coleslaw old joke?
Yeah.
I forgot about it. I don't know any good joke. It's something I can't eat.
Yeah, do that. If you want.
Yeah, really. Nobody don't like it.
But most people are here just to see, how this is put together.
Nobody cares what you. Alright.
What?
No, okay. Do it, alright. I'm an idiot.
Idiot? What are you talking about?
No, I'm not sure if you're rude. I see it.
So right now, I'm trying to screw all this stuff in here.
Oh, it has to be screwed in?
Yeah, so you don't want to be, like, shaking. Like, if you move around, you want the stuff coming off.
That's the main drive?
Yeah, I'm putting the one that's holding the OS in first.
150.
So then, maybe we gotta put another screw here and here. So we'll do that.
What are you doing? Taking out the screws in that one?
Yep.
Yeah, it's pretty good. Was there one that came with a CD drive, or was it more expensive? Right?
Huh? Which one?
But did they sell those little CD drives?
Well, no, it doesn't come with CD-ROM. You gotta buy it yourself.
I would have thought extra.
The CD-ROM drive costs like 20 bucks now.
I really have to take out the others. Yeah. DVD. What was that? Killed.
There's the 150 gigabyte one. So you got this one in, and then we're gonna put the other one on top.
Big guy. It's a big one.
Lining up.
Now take your clothes off.